it can only be me.
There can only be one.
The one.
There can only be one.
I'm not the one you should be underestimating.
Nope. Not me.
You should be underestimating.
Not that one. Let's show 'em how it's done.
Sure. Come on. Yeah.
I've been committed since day one. From the onset, I've never changed, but I can't seem to say the same thing about the game. Used to get a good feeling, but now I feel a strange vibe, which I'm feeling inside. Now who's to blame? Is it maybe that most of our songs I never played, or that they only play in the cats, flossing the chains? Could be both, but I'm willing to say this under oath. Regardless, I'm a dope MC. Don't need to boast. I remember almost living the game. I cut it close. I recall almost living it all. I think I froze on the stage, still trying to respond. Well, I suppose I never thought of weighing the cons, I saw the pros. Now I'm caught in a position where the decisions I make are driven on ambition, cause I don't wanna seem fake, y'all. All this distributing without the help of a major. Gotta bring the skill like Primo, Guru, and Gangstar.
There can only be one.
The one.
There can only be one.
I'm not the one you should be underestimating.
What? I don't think you guys hear me yet.
You should be
Am I not loud enough? I really love those scratches, man. Okay, really do. Verse 2 then. Tell the critic my time has come and it's right about now, cause I'm a champion like Iron Mike, you better bow down. You lost in one round, or bets on who brought the right sound. Watch your face hit the canvas if you stand on my ground. It's such a pro, but I'm so underrated. People say that I've got skill, then I go understatement. I'm a traveler, always on the road like the pavement. Never stationary, gotta work this lows like enslavement. They try to break us down, but I know I'll never cave in, cause I'm a brave heart, I associate with brave men. Until the brain starts, I will jot another statement. I gotta stay sharp, sharp enough to slice your brains in, or sharp enough to cut the tension. Project is coming out, something which I forgot to mention. I'm a bad man, man in the mirror, Michael Jackson. I have been making this money, it's time to cash in.
There can only be one.
The one.
There can only be one.
I'm not the one you should be underestimating.